Hoorah, Semper Fi, do or die, hold 'em high at 8th and I.
Hey guys, so we're right here at Media Day. It rained and it's very cold, very windy, and a lot of people packing up stuff, so let's go see who's still here.
But how do you do? It's been a long time, hasn't it? You guys have really gotten old. Look at you, getting gray and old and everything. Me, I just never change, stay young and handsome like I am.
How are you?
Hello. You're taking good advantage of everything that's going on in law enforcement these days and all the new weapons and new equipment, and I know you're having fun. Semper Fi, all the very best, and Happy New Year's to all of you.